Aloe Vera Gel Face Wash Recipe for Fresh and Cool Skin. Hello everyone, welcome to Natural Beauty Tips. Today, aloe vera is utilized in naturally healthy skin items, in the spot of water as a base for hydration, and as a mitigating star. Its advantages are because of a mix of a wide scope of treats including vitamins A and B, folic acid, catalysts, proteins, amino acids, great unsaturated fats, and triglycerides. Hence, the aloe vera gel face wash is highly suggested in daily routine for skincare. Recipe to make aloe vera gel face wash at home. Ingredients: aloe vera gel 2 tablespoons, almond oil 1 teaspoon, rose water 1 tablespoon, soap 2 teaspoons, vitamin E 1 capsule, lavender oil 3 drops, Method: take a bowl and add aloe vera gel into it. After that, add all the remaining ingredients and mix them properly. After that, apply 3 to 4 drops on your face and massage for 1 minute. Wash the face wash with cold water. Notes: use this face wash twice a day, daily. Hence, it gives a fresh and cool skin regularly. Thank you. Like our Facebook page. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and find out to one place on our official website.